Howdy folks, Jeff here, certified master technician, and the good folks over at Redline Detection sent us this dual purpose diagnostic leak locator, and I want to show you one of the things that we can do with this. Now dual purpose means this will work on evap or the boosted and the turbo systems. Now in this particular case we're not working on the boosted and turbo systems, but we're going to use the high pressure part for an additional test that makes it much easier to do some of the diagnostic work. Now this particular vehicle came in and it had a diagnostics code that had to do with the O2 sensors being rich or lean. And so one of the things that I wanted to check on it was to make sure that there wasn't a problem in the exhaust system. The catalytic converters on this one had been replaced, and sometimes you don't get all the welds there. And then what a lot of the new vehicles, what folks aren't really remembering is that they have flex joints in the exhaust systems. And so we want to make sure that those aren't leaking, because a lot of times the O2 sensors are on the front and the back side, and so if you have a leak in that area, it's going to throw off the O2 sensors, and it can even cause it to read that the catalytic converter is bad. It's not working, it's working below threshold. So what we do is just real simple. We just flip this switch over to the turbo. You see the light comes on and the power's on. And now folks, I want you to hear this. I'm going to kick this on, and now this unit is on. That's how quiet this is, and we've already adjusted the pressure to about 5 pounds. And what we do is we take the inflatable bladder and we stick it back there in the exhaust, and this is actually a pass-through system. So you have two deals here. One is where you inflate it, the other one is where we hook the smoke machine so it passes through this. So this inflatable bladder is going to hold this up in any of the exhaust systems. It also works great on the intake systems. So see, we already have it running and we're already pumping smoke in there. And what we're concerned with is underneath there. So we're going to move over here, reposition the camera, move over here, and we're going to look up underneath the vehicle.